Hello, everyone. This is me, Patricia, again. I welcome you to our today's live session on how to make your job search more exciting by using Boolean search. For those who don't know what a Boolean search is, so this is basically a type of search that allows users combine keywords to achieve a more specific results. So this is something that I am using as a recruiter, that headhunters are using frequently all the time to identify the most suitable candidates for our positions. But this can also be used for you as someone who's looking for a job right now. So yeah, this is going to be a very tough challenge, but I think that you will definitely have some valuable insights on how to make your job search a little bit more effective and probably less time consuming. So yes, I would say the timer goes now. So the 12 minutes are starting now. By now you should see a one slider with the Boolean. So the Boolean search consists of operators. The operators are and, or, not, quotation marks, and brackets. So I will try to guide you quickly through all of them, starting with the operator and. So there you see fruits and vegetables. So by the circles next to fruits and vegetables, you can see that by adding the keyword or the operator and, your search results are going to be very narrow. That means that by saying to LinkedIn, for example, by entering fruits and vegetables, we will be looking for job postings and listings that state this particular keyword, fruits and vegetables, together. Fruits or vegetables would mean that we would be looking for fruits or for vegetables or for fruits and vegetables. So this is a very wide spectrum of keywords that you are having here. Fruits, not vegetables, means that we are excluding a keyword, meaning that we are looking for fruits, but we are particularly not looking for vegetables because, I don't know, we do not like vegetables. This goes, again, also in the vice versa position. So vegetables, not fruits. We are saying to LinkedIn, I want to have job listings that have vegetables, but I do not want to have any job listings with fruits. So that's about the operator not. Quotation marks, to say it simply, this is something probably when you have two words. Here you have the both keywords, fruity, vegetables, in the quotation marks. So that means, LinkedIn will be looking for this particular keyword combination. And brackets, so this is something when we want to group something. So pears or apples and onions or carrots. So you see pears and apples, these both are fruits. So we are putting them in one basket. Onions and carrots are vegetables. So that's why we are separating them from fruits and putting them in the basket vegetables. And when we have entered this Boolean search, pears or apples and onions or carrots, we have said to LinkedIn, hey, I want to have a job listing or posting that says pears and onions or pears and carrots, apples and onions, or apples and carrots. So instead of putting those four, we have created one Boolean search and put all of those four into one, making our Boolean search a little shorter. So this is, I tried to explain very shortly. Now I would say it's time that I show you a real life example. So last time we imagined that I'm a front-end developer. Today, I will be a SAP BW consultant in Germany looking for a job. So I will just then share my screen to you, and we will go through it together by a real life example. So by now, you should already see my screen. So here again, same as last time, the standard LinkedIn Outlook. And here we have again our search button here. And here we will enter. So now we will come back to our baskets with fruits and vegetables. So as I a SAP BW consultant, I will start with the job title. So I will type in consultant, so brackets open, or here it is important between the Boolean operators to include a space, like space, so otherwise it won't function. So consultant or Berater. So this is the same word consultant only in German because I'm looking for a job in Germany. And then we are putting the operator and we will be combining, same as in the previous example with the fruits and vegetables where we had our pears and apples. So this is our part with pears and apples, and now comes our part with the vegetables. So now, as I said, we have two words. So SAP BW, that's why we are also putting the quotation marks here. And I know that the other word or keyword how you could express SAP BW is business warehouse. Again, these are two words, so that's why I'm putting those into the quotation marks. Important is that we close our bracket. So, and now you see we have two brackets. Here we have our vegetables and here we have our fruits. So let's put now see all results. And here again, we see jobs, people's posts, companies, etc. But we are interested in the jobs section. And here it automatically generated the location that it is Germany. And here we see 595 results that we have. So for an example, if we would have entered, let's say only here consultant, and we would have put and SAP BW, then we would have a probably less results. So we can try to do that actually. So now we will remove the brackets because we will have only like two words and we don't need to group them anymore. So consultant and SAP W. So we should have less results. Yes. So you see now we have only 106 results because we have excluded the probability that someone has named the job post Berater in German or the keyword mentioned business warehouse. So that's why it's also very beneficial to you use this this Boolean search, as you just get wider results and more targeted results, but you still have more options to choose one from instead of only 106. So that's about the operators and or. And now let's do the example with the operator not. So let's click and let's write SAP BW. But, so for instance, so let me quickly go through. So here, 1, 2. So I have seen that we here have BI, SAP BI. So of course, I know that SAP BW and BI, that those two are related to each another, but still, maybe let's say I want to look for a job that in particular has only SAP BW and has nothing to do with BI. So let's imagine that. So let's type not, and after not comes the list of keywords that we want to exclude. So as it's going to be more than one word, I will again use the brackets for grouping my keywords. So not again the quotation marks because we have more than two words, SAP BI or so business intelligence, because SAP BI is, the meaning is business intelligence, or the also very frequent option that I saw here, for example, SAP BWBI. So that's also something that I want to exclude. So I'm putting BW/BI, and we will close the brackets. And so yeah, here again, it is important to check that your Boolean search is correct. So seems good to me. Now we put in search, and we should have all the listings only with SAP BW without, like, nowhere mentioning BI, business intelligence. So yeah, as you can see, 135 results only mentioning SAP BW. So again, a very targeted and specific result that we have achieved here. And yeah, and here you can again specify this. So for example, here you can see in-house consultant. So if you want to exclude all the in-house positions, then here you could put definitely in-house consultant as well, for instance. In-house, or if you would, yeah, if you would look for only in-house positions, then you could put here before the not in-house and not consultant or Berater, or try it that way. So the Boolean search is something that you have to play around with, and this is something you definitely need maybe 2-3 attempts before you also can, have a look at your results and see, okay, what you do not like, maybe what you want to exclude or include, or what you are missing on. And then you can again adjust your Boolean search. But yeah, so this is probably, so yeah, let's put enter, and let's remove those quotation marks, and let's remove the brackets, and let's see what LinkedIn is going to give us. So now we have all the consultant positions. Let's see if we have somewhere an in-house. Okay, so in-house Berater. Okay, so now in this case, we could also copy this in-house /Berater and put it into our, in brackets with quotation mark, that we also are willing to exclude this keyword here. But this is how it functions. So yeah, I hope that you had some insightful tips on how you could make your job search a little bit more effective. And let me know in the comments, definitely, was this insightful or was it not? So, and of course, if you have any more questions, let me know in the comments.